she?
Oh, Mum. Haven't got the kettle on yet.
Pat is 92 and lives in Cardiff. One of her sons has come to visit as she tries out a new piece of technology for the first time. Pat has age-related macular degeneration, which affects vision when looking straight at something such as a book or the television. She now finds it difficult to use her tablet, so is trying an Amazon Echo, thanks to support from Digital Communities Wales and RNIB Cymru.
Alexa, what do I have in my diary for the 3rd of August?
On Friday the 3rd of August, there is one event. At 10:55 a.m. there's doctor's appointment.
Pat is talking to Alexa on the device to book and check her doctor's appointments. She also had a stiff neck, so wanted to know how to treat it.
Alexa, what causes a stiff neck?
Here's something I found on reference.com. Causes of a stiff neck include a twisted neck, wear and tear, whiplash, and a pinched nerve, according to NHS Choices. Other causes include sleeping in an uncomfortable position, bending over the desk for a prolonged period and poor posture while watching the television. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Hannah Rowlett works on the Technology for Life service with RNIB. She's told us the difference that such devices can make to people living with sight loss.
The Amazon Echo is a fantastic example of how technology can be made simple for people to use. You just need to use your voice to give it simple commands. There aren't lots of buttons and things to press. You can just request really simply the things that you want. This makes it easy to use but also really accessible. Technology for Life is a core service offered by RNIB to support blind and partially sighted people to use technology. We give advice and information over the telephone, advise people on where they can go in their local community for support, and can provide access to volunteers who will visit the customers in their home to provide that direct support. It was wonderful to work with Pat and to support her to find technology to help her live more independently.
As well as using the technology for health reasons, Pat also overcomes isolation by keeping in touch with family members online.
I do. I use the FaceTime quite often, and I find emails, because obviously with my sight loss, my writing is really deteriorating. I can scarcely read it myself. So I find that very, very useful, because I have quite a lot of friends and I can keep in touch with them.
Pat's son Shane shares her view.
Yeah, it's obviously helps a lot for peace of mind, because I'm away. I work on ships, so I'm away for a long periods of time, and also my family, immediate family now, is living in South Africa. So by the time I get home is far and few between to see Mum. And it's nice to know that she can email. She still does that, and this new Alexa, I think, is going to be a real good help for her, and a bit of comfort for her as well. I could see her having long conversations and arguments with Alexa.
A keen gardener, Pat also goes online to find out how she can take better care of her plants.
I've got loads of gardening books, but I very rarely read them. So I call myself a gut gardener. But just recently I felt I do need some help. I would like to know more. And I've got it now, haven't I, at my fingertips.
It's safe to say, whether it's reading books, checking emails, or getting gardening tips, Pat has definitely turned over a new leaf by doing more online to aid her health and well-being. For more information, contact RNIB on 0303 123 9999 or online at rnib.org.uk. You can also contact Digital Communities Wales on 0300 111 5050 or digitalcommunities.gov.wales.